Cat, cats. I have one cat, but my friend has two cats. Dog, dogs. The dog is barking and the other dogs are playing. Car, cars. I see one car on the road, but so many cars will pass by. Book, books. I read one book yesterday and now I have 3 more books to read. Child, children. A child is playing with toys and the other children are running around the park. Foot, feet. I hurt my foot, but both feet are fine now. Bird, birds. One bird is flying in the sky and soon many birds will join. Man, man. One man is fixing the car while 2 men are watching. Tree, trees. There is one tree in our yard, but the park has many trees. Baby, babies. The baby is sleeping and the other babies are playing. Box, boxes. I packed one box today, but I still have many more boxes to fill. Key, keys. I found one key, but I am still looking for the other keys. Leaf, leaves. One leaf fell from the tree and soon all the leaves will fall. Lady, ladies. The lady at the store is kind and the other ladies are very friendly too. Fish, fish. I caught one fish, but in the lake there are lots of fish.